Step 3 of our AAI Summer Menu is here. The most important ingredient isn't what most people expect. Let's discover it together. As Chef Chano prepares our AAI Hydration Hero, let's discover what AAI really means. AAI stands for Aliment Anti-Inflammatory. Today's recipe is inspired by the AAI Law No. 2, and before the end of this video you'll discover why. Our AAI laws are inspired by discoveries from the blue zones where researchers kept finding the same eating patterns in some of the world's longest living communities. Now, ingredient helps keep us refreshed during summer. Cucumber naturally rich in water to help support hydration. The next ingredient protects our cells in a completely different way. Meet our AAI Rabi Shield. Tomatoes are naturally rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from oxidative stress. The AAI law is inspired by the blue zones where people have maintained body and mind self-efficiency well beyond 100 years. Join our free newsletter through the link in the description and discover the next AAI law. Now let's add an ingredient that brings freshness with every bite. It's our AAI Crispy Shield. It adds hydration, freshness, and a satisfying crunch. But color often brings even more protective nutrients. Meet our AAI Vitamin Spark. Red bell peppers are naturally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect our cells. AAI law is inspired by the blue zones where people have maintained body and mind self-efficiency well beyond 100 years. Join our free newsletter through the link in the description and discover the next AAI law. Now we are getting very close to today's bigger discovery. Meet our AAI power beans gently cooked with cumin and garlic. These aren't the stars of the salad by accident. You'll soon discover why. Before we reveal today's secrets, meet our AAI green fire. Its peppery flavors came from naturally curing compounds. AAI law is inspired by the blue zones where people have maintained body and mind self-efficiency well beyond 100 years. Join our free newsletter through the link in the description and discover the next AAI law. The secret is revealed. AAI Law No. 2 legumes. That's why our AAI beans proudly take the center of the plate. Every great salad deserves the right finishing touch. With our AAI mineral salt, choose natural gray sea salt for a richer, more natural taste. A flavor treasured across the Middle East. Meet our AAI Rabi Drizzle. Granate molasses adds natural antioxidants and a delicious sweet and tangy flavor. One final ingredient brings everything together. Meet our AAI Heritage Oil. Extra virgin olive oil infused with bay leaves, oregano, mint, and chili healthy fats that help nourish the brain. Finally, finishing crunch. Meet our AAI crunch seeds. Provide healthy fats, minerals, and a delicious nutty flavor. Today you discovered AAI Law number 2, legume leads, natural protein, fiber. And we'll see you in the next video.